To develop and nurture your self-esteem, you need to understand 7 techniques that are offered in the profound Buddhist teachings. Buddha once said, "Let there be no limitation to the love you have for yourself. With boundless heart, forgive yourself and others. With boundless wisdom, nourish yourself and others. With boundless efforts, develop yourself and others. With boundless devotion, honor yourself and others." Come along with me on this journey to enhance your comprehension of developing self-esteem and constructing a resilient personality. Prior to diving in, I encourage you to commit to watching the entire video without skipping a moment. Resist any urge to disengage, persist until the very end, and open the door to a realm of new possibilities. Why hesitate? Let's embark on this journey together. Before we commence, please ensure that you've subscribed to the channel and activated the notification bell to stay updated on all inspiring content. Always strive to be the optimal version of yourself. Now let us explore 7 ways to develop self-esteem from the perspective of Buddhism. 1. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Mindfulness, deeply rooted in Buddhist philosophy, becomes a profound vehicle for enhancing self-worth by inviting individuals to embrace the fullness of their present existence. In the words of the Buddha, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." This wisdom underscores the importance of mindfulness in developing a compassionate and non-judgmental awareness of one's thoughts and feelings. By willfully concentrating on the present moment, individuals learn to observe their internal thoughts without harsh criticism, allowing for a gentle exploration of the self. This non-reactive observation and self-compassion contribute to an uplifting sense of self-worth. By recognizing the inherent value within oneself, as emphasized by the Buddha, mindfulness becomes a transformative practice that nurtures a deep and unshakable appreciation for one's unique existence. Buddhist philosophy advocates mindfulness as the gateway to self-discovery when Buddha says, "The past is already gone. The future is not yet here. There's only one moment for you to live." This teaching encapsulates the essence of being present. Through mindfulness practices like meditation, individuals gain a profound awareness of themselves, fostering self-acceptance and igniting the journey towards genuine self-worth. 2. Embracing impermanence. One of the core teachings in Buddhism is the concept of impermanence, the understanding that all things are in a constant state of flux. Applying this perspective to self-esteem means recognizing that both positive and negative experiences are temporary. When facing challenges or setbacks, understanding the impermanent nature of these situations helps in maintaining a balanced view of oneself, preventing undue attachment to negative emotions. In the end, only 3 things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. This Buddhist teaching encapsulates the essence of impermanence. Embracing this truth nurtures a healthy detachment from both successes and setbacks, encouraging a balanced perspective on self-worth, anchored not in fleeting circumstances but in the resilient core of one's being. There is another saying of Buddha, "Everything that has a beginning has an ending. Make your peace with that, and all will be well." Acknowledging the transient nature of experiences, emotions, and circumstances, individuals can liberate themselves from the burden of unrealistic expectations and self-judgment. Embracing impermanence invites a gentle acceptance of both the highs and lows, recognizing that no state, be it joy or sorrow, is permanent. This awareness allows for a more balanced and resilient sense of self-worth, grounded not in fleeting external factors, but in the unwavering understanding that change is an inherent aspect of life. 3. Non-attachment to self-image. In the journey to enhance self-worth, the profound Buddhist teaching of non-attachment to self-image emerges as a guiding light. As the Buddha eloquently expressed, "You will not be punished for your anger, you will be punished by your anger." This wisdom extends beyond emotions to the very fabric of our self-concept. Non-attachment to self-image encourages individuals to release the grip on a fixed and idealized version of themselves. By understanding that the self is fluid and ever-evolving, one can embark on a transformative path towards genuine self-worth. This teaching invites a compassionate exploration of one's identity, unburdened by the need for external validation or the constraints of societal expectations. In embracing the beauty of impermanence within the self, individuals cultivate a profound sense of freedom and authenticity, recognizing that self-worth flourishes not in the static confines of an image, but in the dynamic, unfolding essence of being. Another Buddhist quotation captures the essence of non-attachment. The only way to find yourself is to lose yourself. Buddhist teachings invite us to release the attachment to rigid self-identities. By understanding that the self is a fluid concept, individuals can cultivate a more adaptive and resilient sense of self-worth, free from the confines of fixed perceptions. 4. Compassion towards oneself. Central to Buddhist teachings is the practice of compassion, which extends not only to others, but also to oneself. Developing self-esteem involves treating oneself with the same kindness and understanding that one might offer to a friend facing challenges. Through self-compassion, individuals learn to embrace their imperfections and mistakes. In the words of the Buddha, love yourself and watch, today, tomorrow, and always. This profound insight underscores the importance of extending the same compassion inwardly as one might offer to others. Cultivating self-compassion involves acknowledging imperfections and embracing the inherent humanity within. By treating oneself with kindness and understanding, individuals foster a resilient and nurturing relationship with the self. The practice of self-compassion becomes a balm for the wounds of self-doubt, inviting a sense of warmth and acceptance that contributes to the deepening of self-worth. As the Buddha's wisdom implies, the journey to true self-worth begins with the recognition that self-love is not only deserved, but an essential aspect of the path towards inner peace and authenticity. 5. Understanding the interconnectedness of all beings. The concept of interconnectedness in Buddhism highlights the idea that all living beings are interconnected and interdependent. Recognizing this interconnected nature can shift the focus from an individualistic mindset to understanding the shared human experience. Realizing that one's struggles are part of a larger tapestry of human existence can contribute to a more balanced and compassionate view of oneself. The Buddha's saying, "In separateness lies the world's great misery, in compassion lies the world's true strength," captures the essence of this interconnected wisdom. Recognizing the interdependence of all living beings cultivates a deep sense of belonging and shared humanity. In understanding that personal struggles are part of human experience, individuals can transcend feelings of isolation and inadequacy. This interconnected perspective fosters compassion not only towards others, but also towards oneself. The journey to self-worth becomes intimately tied to a broader compassion that acknowledges the shared vulnerabilities and strengths of all beings. As individuals embrace their place in this interconnected web of existence, a profound sense of worth emerges, grounded in the understanding that every being, including oneself, plays an essential and valuable role in the intricate dance of life. 6. Right speech and positive affirmations. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of right speech, communication that is truthful, kind, and beneficial. The Buddha's saying, "Words have the power to both destroy and heal." When words are both true and kind, they can change our world. He underscores the profound impact of speech on our well-being. Cultivating right speech involves not only the avoidance of harmful words towards others, but extends to the self. Positive affirmations become a powerful tool in shaping the internal dialogue, aligning thoughts with compassion and encouragement. By consciously choosing words that uplift and inspire, individuals contribute to the development of a healthier and more positive self-image. The practice of right speech, both in communication with others and in self-talk, becomes a beacon on the path to self-worth, fostering an environment of kindness and constructive self-affirmation. Through these mindful expressions, individuals contribute to the cultivation of a positive and empowering narrative that nurtures a resilient and authentic sense of self-worth. 7. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice in Buddhism and is linked to contentment and inner well-being. Focusing on the positive aspects of one's life, rather than dwelling on shortcomings, can significantly impact self-esteem. By cultivating gratitude for both the simple and profound aspects of life, individuals can develop a sense of fulfillment and appreciation for their unique journey. As the Buddha aptly expressed, "Let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learned a little." This wisdom invites individuals to shift their focus from what might be lacking to a profound appreciation for the blessings, both big and small, in their lives. Gratitude becomes a mirror reflecting the richness of one's existence, fostering contentment and a deep sense of self-worth. By consciously acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life, individuals embark on a journey of self-discovery that transcends perceived shortcomings. This practice nourishes a resilient and appreciative outlook, providing a foundation for an authentic and unwavering sense of self-worth, grounded in the recognition of life's countless gifts. In conclusion, Buddhist teachings provide valuable insights into the cultivation of self-esteem, emphasizing mindfulness, impermanence, compassion, and interconnectedness. By incorporating these principles into daily life, individuals can embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance, fostering a positive and resilient sense of self-esteem.